Hey, 4x4 Adventure WA. What's everyone doing in isolation? So previously I mentioned about this vehicle that I bought years ago, changed my lifestyle, and that was absolutely exceptionally true because it allows me to go outdoors more often, four-wheel driving, fishing, adventures, something like that. But that is not the only thing. This car also makes me start thinking about DIY projects such as the drawer system. Previously I've got a wooden drawer system that was too heavy and I've removed. And I've got some metal fabricators to make myself this aluminium drawer system. I believe I'll be doing a lot of metal works, metal fabrication works in the future. Perhaps I'll rebuild this tray, take this weld body off and maybe put a flat tray on. If my welding becomes really good, I will maybe I'll make myself a camper trailer, so for longer expeditions, something like that. Today is Easter Monday, so obviously you've got nothing to do during this coronavirus period. It's not recommended to go out as well. So I've decided to make my missus a shelf for storage. So this video is a little bit different from the previous ones because I'm obviously not going out for adventures, not going outdoors due to the coronavirus outbreak. And in here as well, I like to take this opportunity to urge everyone to stay at home. If we work as a team, the virus will go quickly. I thought I'm going to show you this as well before I start showing you what I've got today. Now, I've got a welder a couple of days ago, and I'm very excited because welding for me is an ability to manipulate metal. When you're able to manipulate metal, you have lots of variabilities. Your crafting skills substantially improves. Now, this is what I've made yesterday. I have no idea what this is, but I've managed to find some scrap steel at home. So these were, a few welding runs that I've done yesterday, and I was playing with the settings, the different voltage and wire speed. By the way, I'm very new to welding, and I've managed to make a few really nice welds. But well, you have your own opinion. I'm just new practicing. So this is what I've got from local hardware store Bunnings, because Bunnings is open. I've got a few flat bars, four square tubes, a few metal rods. I thought that would be more than enough to make a shelf for my missus. So guys, this is basically the idea. I'll be using a couple of flat bars as a foundation. And I'll obviously cut it up into the right shape. The square tubes, I'll be using them on the side like so, maybe like that. On the other side as well. Let's see how it goes anyway. So basically there are a few levels of storage, something like this. And I think this will go very well. Basically, I've got all these ready. These are the foundation. That's the base. That's a side projection. Now, what I'll be doing is I'll just be tap welding. Do some tap welds and stick them together basically, and see how it goes. So guys, these are the legs I've just produced, and I think I will need a bit of a flat bar on this end or either end basically to support the two legs so they won't be wobble around. And maybe I'll use some of these sticks to support the drawer system. Done. Now it's a final installation. So I guess I'll do the legs first, and after the legs I'll tack weld everything and work the way up. Hi guys, back again, day 2 of the project. Today I'm going to finish off what I've done yesterday by improvising all the bits and pieces, make it more beautiful. So this is what I've made yesterday. It is basically a shelf that has 3 levels. Now I can fit 3 baskets on, 1 basket on each of the level supports. And today I will be filling up some holes, so there's a couple of holes on the top, and I managed to find this scrap galvanized steel piece from a long time ago. So, and it basically fits perfectly on top of it. Fantastic. Also, my missus requested me to put some casters at the bottom of the shelf, so it makes it easier to move around. Now that's it for today, that's it for the project. I'm really happy about welding. I love metal work. That is what I like to do. I create stuff and create stuff for myself to use, for my loved one to use. And with metal work, it makes you feel powerful because it gives you the ability to manipulate metal, change the physical properties, melt them together, fuse them, things like that. And it really makes you feel you're really strong, you're powerful to create things. So anyway, this is what I like to do. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell button as well so you won't miss any of the videos, and give me a thumbs up as well. See you next time.